Hidden in this ancient verse, the Lord's Prayer offers a profound pathway to inner peace and divine connection. This prayer transcends time, inviting us to embrace its wisdom in our daily lives. It begins with acknowledging the sacred presence that guides us. As we explore its depth, we find a tapestry woven with humility and reverence, urging us to seek spiritual transcendence. Join us in unraveling the secrets of this timeless prayer. The opening phrase, "Our Father in Heaven," represents a universal call to acknowledge the divine presence. It speaks of unity and interconnectedness, urging us to transcend worldly differences. It's a reminder that we are all children under one spiritual Father, fostering a sense of collective belonging and love. The essence of this prayer lies in bridging our earthly existence with the spiritual realm, seeking guidance from a higher power. In modern life, the phrase "Give us this day our daily bread" touches upon reliance and gratitude. It is not just about physical sustenance, but also nurturing our souls with spiritual nourishment. In a world of abundance, we often forget the importance of humility and trust in the divine for provision. This message invites us to reflect on our daily needs, urging us to express gratitude and foster contentment. As we close with "For thine is the kingdom," we are invited to surrender ego and embrace divine wisdom. The Lord's Prayer culminates in a transformational insight, understanding that true power and glory belong not to us, but to the divine. This invites introspection, asking us to live with humility and grace, allowing divine teachings to lead our journey. Thus, we seek to align our lives with a higher purpose,